Hello guys and welcome back to this new video. Today we're going to make a lock and unlock command. First start off, open your start.bat file and type in slappy. Generate a new command named lock. I'm going to do it in the moderation category. Make a new command named unlock in the moderation section category, how you want to name it. Then type in code dot to open your beautiful Visual Studio Code. Then just go into your lock command and just make if statement manage channels god damn it. You cannot use this command if there's no member.girl.me.as permission manage channels turn message channel send require manage channels mission to lock the channel going to do let lock channel is equal to message dot mentions the channels first and its message dot girl dot channels cache dot get args is 0. Going to do if no lock channel is equal to message dot channel. Go to make it async. Going to do await lock channel dot update override row send messages false. Going to do a dot catch error console.log error and then we're going to do message dot channel dot send I have locked the channel. I'm going to do how do you call it, emoji on the end. I'm going to npm run dev. Oh wait, I forgot something. Going to do another const role is equal to message dot guild dot roles cache dot get. I'm going to go to our roles and then we're going to find a role for what role do we want to lock the channel. Can do it everyone, so I get this. Just do this. Then I'm going to log in on my alt. And you can do this already. Now member is not defined. Where did I put in member? The const discord log. Nope. Oh, I see. This was unnecessarily. Now we can make an embed for it. That would look better. Const success embed new discord dot message embed set title locked thumbnail set footer set a time stamp go to const color and a logo and put in here success embed and type in here dash log and then see an error. Oh, I see. Message embed. This lock. There you get here. This channel is locked. This only has a title, so we're gonna change it to this. Gonna try this lock again. Now it looks like this. This looks great. And now I'm going to log in on an alt voice crack. Going to log in on an alt. Now you can't type. That's what you can see. Now if we go back to this one, we just have to copy this to the unlock command. Go back and just copy this to the unlock command. I'm just going to do message.delete and do here message.delete. You have to change it is to true, the unlock command. Make this async. Just do unlocked. 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 And now just go back and type unlock. This channel is unlocked. Go to your alt, and now you can see you can type to some radar, type lock. They can't type anymore. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please smash that like button and please comment, subscribe. Bye.